Chase Freedom Flex app. The pros, the cons. The Chase Freedom Flex card is one of the most versatile cashback cards available, but most people don't realize how powerful it can be when used strategically. Let's break it down. Starting with the pros. The card earns 5% cash back on rotating quarterly categories like gas, groceries, or streaming services, up to a set limit. You also earn 5% on travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% on dining and drugstores, and 1% on everything else. It comes with a strong sign-up bonus, no annual fee, and full access through the Chase app for category tracking and redemptions. Here's the surprising part. If you pair this card with a premium Chase travel card, your cash back actually becomes transferable travel points, massively increasing its potential value. Now for the cons. You need to activate the bonus categories each quarter, and if you forget, you'll miss out. Card also has a foreign transaction fee, so it's not great for international travel. So, what's the verdict? The Chase Freedom Flex card is perfect for smart spenders who want maximum rewards on everyday purchases without paying an annual fee. The surprising truth? When used right, especially alongside another Chase card, it transforms from a simple cashback card into a powerful travel rewards engine.